Fatty liver is caused by lipid accumulation in liver cells and is a very common abnormal liver disease. Generally, mild fatty liver is reversible. Early diagnosis and active cooperation with doctors can restore liver function to normal. Most fatty liver is related to diet. If you want to restore liver function to normal, you should adjust your diet. What principles does fatty liver diet follow? 1. Do not eat animal viscera and fatty meat. Fatty liver avoid eating high cholesterol and high-fat foods, such as animal offal, animal skin, and fatty meat. These foods can cause excessive intake of fat, cause hyperlipidemia, and aggravate fatty liver symptoms. 2. Drink little or no broth. In fact, the nutrition in the broth is very small, the calories in the broth are relatively high and there is a lot of fat, which can affect the recovery of the disease. If you like soup, choose vegetable soup or mushroom soup. 3. Make thick and thin. Coarse grains stay in the stomach for a long time, which can delay the rate of food emptying, give people a certain feeling of fullness, reduce the intake of other foods, and effectively control the total amount of food throughout the day. But you can't just eat coarse grains. In addition, you cannot eat high-sugar foods, because sweets are high in calories. 4. Must abstain from drinking. Alcohol can directly damage liver cells and cause elevated aminotransferases. Although alcohol has no fat, it is high in calories and can induce body obesity and promote the development of fatty liver. Fatty livers should not drink any beverages that contain alcohol, nor can they drink carbonated drinks. 5. Don't drink tea immediately after big fish and meat. Some people like to drink tea immediately after a high-fat and high-protein diet, thinking that it can be greasy, but this is a wrong idea. The tannic acid contained in tea will synthesize tannic acid protein that is not easily absorbed, slow down gastrointestinal motility, cause constipation, allow the body to accumulate too much carcinogens and toxic substances, increase liver detoxification and metabolic burden, and also bring toxic effects to the liver and aggravate fatty liver. 6. Choose skim milk. Milk has high nutritional value and contains a lot of high-quality protein and calcium. Try to choose skim milk. Skim milk does not contain any fat and can supplement the body with nutrients. In addition, vegetable oils should be used instead of animal oils, such as rapeseed oil, peanut oil, or soybean oil, but the amount should be controlled to about 20 grams per day. Tips: fatty liver is guaranteed to have at least 500 grams of green leafy vegetables and 200 grams of fruit every day. Try not to eat root vegetables, such as tincture, yam, potatoes, etc., which contain a lot of starch, high energy, and easy to aggravate fatty liver. In addition to ensuring adequate sleep, reduce the number of staying up late. Eat more coarse grains and vegetables containing dietary fiber to promote gastrointestinal peristalsis, maintain smooth stool, and add sufficient water during the period.